Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to add images from your mobile phone gallery to the Tumblr post on your Tumblr application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Now, how to add an image to your post in the Tumblr application on your Tumblr account. It's just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on the pencil symbol on the bottom. Then you have this option. So now you can add images of anything on directly to the Tumblr. For an example, just going to add this image. You can see it's actually a screenshot of my analytics. So I just added this image. So if you just click on this image, you have a property called image property. Click on this icon symbol to edit the image or to view the image and click OK. Now if I just going to post this, click on the post option on the top. Now you can see the image has been posted. So this is how you just post the image on your Tumblr application. Click on the pencil symbol. You just need to click on the image tab on the bottom section. You can just easily post it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.